going on, you guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. So today it's a little later in the day right now, and the other day I got a comment on one of my videos saying I should GoPro or do like POV driving in the 350z again, only at like dusk or like when the sun's going down. So that is what I'm here to do tonight. I have my GoPro right here, and then I figured I would get some drone footage. But first, before we go, as you guys know, 350zs, especially the Rev-Up version, is notorious for burning oil. So I'm gonna put whatever oil I have left. I think I have like a quarter of a quart left, so it's not much, but it'll just like top off whatever we have missing in there, hopefully, and then we're gonna get on our way. So let's do it. There she is. A little dirty, actually. Maybe one of these days I'll do a wash video where I clean the engine bay. That's like one of my most popular videos, actually, for the Miata. Whoever owned this last totally messed up the cap. Jeez, that is on there, boys. What I have in here. Oh, that was like nothing. Sure that's tight. It's in there. All right. Alright, you guys, so we put more oil in the car. We didn't have much, but hopefully it'll get us through the spirited driving we're about to do. I'm gonna go get some drone footage, like I said, and then also some GoPro footage. The sun is setting right now, so hopefully it'll be a perfect sunset. It's kind of cloudy right now, so we'll see how it turns out, but I hope it's gonna look good. Let's do it. I put $20 in this thing, and it's already at almost at a quarter tank, you guys. Barely drove it. You must just leak out the bottom or something. At least the gas light's not on. That's kind of a first. All right, switching over to GoPro view. Peeking through. I want to be behind this person, so we're going this way. Do not want to be behind them. Oh, God dang it. Let's appreciate this moment. Oh my goodness. Yes. My goodness. Dang, I gotta fix that. But just don't look at the front bumper right there, and it looks great. Wow. What a night. What's up, you guys? So I'm driving right now through wine country, and I'm trying to find a spot to pull over. So I thought I had had this one spot, but it turns out that it was gated and it was closed right now, so I couldn't go there and get some drone footage. So I'm driving around and the sun is going down like so fast, and I'm trying to find a place where I can pull over, get the drone out for like 10 minutes and fly around for a little bit and get some, you know, some pretty awesome shots. I mean, I'm not gonna lie to you, there's a lot of clouds. So the sunset isn't even like as good as I thought it was gonna be, so I gotta come out on a night where the sunset is like prime, there's no clouds at all. I probably look ridiculous. I know, I look ridiculous. You gotta do what you gotta do to get the shots, you know? I mean, hopefully it looks cool. Oh, sounds good though, sounds good. All right, I don't even know where to pull over. Oh, actually. Maybe I could just stop right here at this little piece of dirt. I don't think anyone in particular will care. Hopefully my hair doesn't look terrible. I've been wearing the GoPro for the last, like, you already know, 20 minutes. Whoa. That was pretty next level twist. All right, you guys, so I got the drone out here. I'm gonna keep the car running. That's why I have the mic on right now, so hopefully the audio is not terrible. I'm gonna fly the drone. The sun is basically gone, but hopefully there's enough light to just get like some cool video. I don't know, I'm gonna try it out. So I kind of thought it would be kind of cool to show you guys how I do this. So I'm screen recording right now, and basically, so I'm already recording, and what you do is you hit this little up arrow in the top left, and basically I usually hit precisely record takeoff point, and basically there's a huge block of text, but what it says is it takes a picture every 5 feet or something until it's 20 feet in the air, and then it, you know, precisely records its takeoff location. So if it needs to come back in an emergency, it can, which is kind of cool. And then you just slide it, and it just
take off.
It
The
just
home port
automatically
has been
flies.
updated. Please check it on the map. Landing.
What's that? It's my first time. Oh. It's beautiful. I was just taking a video.
Okay.
Yeah. I can leave.
No, that's okay.
Okay.
As long as you're not smoking or drinking or something.
Oh, no, of course. I do YouTube.
Oh, okay.
And so I was just taking a video because the vineyard's really beautiful. And so,
So what's your channel called?
awesome. Sorry, you guys. Thank you. Well, they were pretty nice. You know, you guys, you really gotta you should really get permission. I really shouldn't be on the side of the road at a random vineyard. I feel really bad. Like, I'm so thankful that they were like the nicest people ever. They thought I was doing drugs, seriously. I mean, I'm just trying to film a YouTube video. So I guess that's 2020. So, all right, let's fly the drone. Let's fly the drone.
The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
Oh, see, this is a great shot. This is a great shot. Right above the vineyard. I didn't even realize. Oh, now I just fly it that way. And it looks pretty amazing. Oh, look at how it's like foggy in the distance. See, that's one thing I absolutely love. It's like the drone, you're not gonna ever get to see that unless you're in a helicopter or something. It just looks insane. Friggin' gnats everywhere. Sending it up. Started at like 30 feet, and when I turn on sport mode, and like double the speed. gonna set it to like 300 feet in the air. It's 350 feet in the air. Let's get a good view of what it looks like from up there. Oh my goodness, the fog is rolling in as we speak. It's pretty insane. Okay, now watch this. The craziest thing is all I have to do is hit this return to home button. And because we precisely recorded its takeoff location, I should be able to just put this down. Like literally just set it down, and I have it set to fly to 150 feet because I'm always worried that it's gonna like automatically come home and like hit a tree or something on its way back. It's smart enough to go around the tree, like it will actually sense, like it has obstacle avoiding while it's flying, so like it'll probably sense the tree and stop. I've been always too afraid to test it, so I'm just like, okay, cool, I'm just gonna make sure it's above everything. So all right, it's coming down, let's check it out. I'm not controlling it at all. So it's kind of getting cold, so I'm gonna put all this stuff inside, and then we're gonna, yeah. All right, you guys, so as you can tell, the sun is completely gone and it's starting to get cold, so I'm probably gonna head back to the house and look at all this footage and put something together for you guys. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please let me know, and I will make more of them at night. I don't really know. I've never actually made videos at night. So let me know if you like this type of video and I will make more of them, or if you want me to stick to just making videos in the day where it kind of makes more sense, let me know. I do know once car shows start, I do go to a lot of car shows that are at night, so I might end up filming those and stuff. So man, I really can't wait for this quarantine to be over, because as soon as the quarantine is over, car shows start up again, and I'm so excited. So that's what I'm looking forward to. Anyways, thank you guys so much for joining me in this video today. If you enjoyed it, please leave a thumbs up, smash the like button, drop a comment down below if you have anything to say, and then if you haven't subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, because I'm trying to hit 1,000 subscribers by the end of quarantine. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.